You're in school. You wake up early, put on your uniform, and rush through your morning routine. No time for makeup, no expensive skincare, no fancy products. But guess what? You can still look cute, fresh, and naturally pretty without spending a single dollar. This isn't about changing yourself. It's about taking care of yourself, even during busy school days. Whether you're 9 or 18, these little zero-cost tips will help you glow naturally, even with a uniform on and a long day ahead. Clean skin. Naturally glowing skin. One of the easiest ways to look pretty without makeup is to keep your skin clean and fresh. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, using just water or a gentle cleanser, if you have one at home. If you don't, even rinsing with cool water and gently rubbing your face with a soft towel works wonders. Avoid touching your face too much during the day, and always wash your hands before you do. Your natural skin texture is beautiful, and when you keep it clean, it shines through without the need for foundation or concealer. Hydration is free and powerful. Drinking water is one of the most powerful zero-cost beauty secrets. It clears your skin, makes your lips softer, and reduces puffiness in your face and eyes. If you can drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, you'll see a real difference in your skin's brightness and softness. And if plain water feels boring, you can infuse it with lemon or mint if you have them. But honestly, plain water is magical too. Carry a bottle around at school or during study time to remind yourself to drink often. Sleep equals natural beauty treatment. A free and natural way to look fresh and pretty is to get enough sleep. When you sleep well, your body repairs itself, your skin renews, and you wake up looking rested and glowing. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. Try putting your phone away at least 30 minutes before bed. Read, stretch, or just lie down in peace. Puffy eyes, dark circles, and dull skin often go away just by sleeping properly, and it doesn't cost a single rupee. Stay clean. Smell good. You don't need expensive body washes or sprays to feel clean and pretty. Regular bathing with soap, brushing your teeth twice a day, and wearing clean clothes will always make you feel more confident. If you sweat, wash your underarms daily and change your clothes if needed. Freshness is free and powerful. If you don't have perfume, you can rub a small piece of lemon, if available, on your underarms before rinsing. It acts like a natural deodorant. Healthy hair makes a big difference. Even without heat styling or salon products, you can make your hair look beautiful. Wash your hair with water and gentle shampoo. You can braid your hair at night to get soft waves in the morning. Comb gently to avoid breakage and trim the ends at home if they feel rough or dry. Simple styles like a braid, a low bun, or a cute ponytail make you look neat and effortlessly pretty. Soft lips without lip balm. You don't need fancy lip balms to keep your lips soft. Use a clean toothbrush to gently scrub your lips when brushing your teeth. This removes dead skin. You can apply a little bit of honey or even ghee, clarified butter, at home before bed to keep your lips soft and pink. Don't lick your lips often. It actually dries them out more. Natural, hydrated lips are one of the prettiest features on a makeup-free face. Pretty eyes. Naturally bright eyes can totally light up your face. Splash cold water on your eyes in the morning. It reduces puffiness and makes you look more awake. If you have time, placing a cold spoon or cool damp cloth over your eyes for a few minutes is refreshing. Also, blinking a few times, resting your eyes from screens, and keeping your head high can make your eyes sparkle more. Long lashes? Use a clean mascara wand or soft toothbrush to comb them. No makeup needed. Nails, brows, and small touches. Trimmed nails, clean hands, and neat eyebrows make you look super tidy, even without any products. You can soak your hands in warm water once a week and gently clean under the nails with a toothpick or old brush. For brows, just brush them into place using a clean toothbrush or spoolie. You don't need to pluck or change their shape. Natural brows are youthful and cute. These little touches cost nothing but make a big impact. Wear what makes you feel cute, even in uniform. You don't need trendy or expensive clothes to look pretty. You just need to wear clean, well-fitting ones that make you feel comfortable and happy. If you wear a school uniform, keep it neat, ironed, and stain-free. Tuck it in properly, shine your shoes if you can, and maybe add cute hair clips, matching socks, or a tidy hairstyle to personalize your look. Looking fresh and confident in uniform is totally possible. On non-uniform days, try mixing and matching your favorite pieces. Remember, feeling cute comes from how you carry yourself. At the end of the day, being pretty doesn't mean wearing makeup or following trends. It means being comfortable in your own skin. So show up, stay soft, and keep shining.